Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 and the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super. In this video, we will dive deep into the specifications, performance, and pricing of these two graphics cards to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, understanding the differences between these cards is crucial for your next upgrade. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 is a budget-friendly option at just $319, making it an attractive choice for gamers looking to enjoy solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super commands a premium price of $839. This significant price difference reflects the performance capabilities of each card, with the RTX 4070 Ti offering higher-end features and performance suited for serious gamers. In terms of performance, the GIGABYTE RTX 4060 is designed for solid 1080p gaming, making it a great choice for casual gamers. However, it may struggle with more demanding titles at higher resolutions. In contrast, the MSI RTX 4070 Ti Super excels in 1440p and even 4K gaming, thanks to its advanced architecture and higher clock speeds. This makes it a top choice for gamers who want the best performance and are willing to invest in a premium card. Another critical factor to consider is the VRAM. The GIGABYTE RTX 4060 comes with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for most 1080p gaming scenarios. However, as games become more demanding, this may limit performance at higher resolutions. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 4070 Ti Super boasts a substantial 16 GB of GDDR6X memory, providing ample headroom for high-resolution gaming and future-proofing for upcoming titles. This difference in VRAM can significantly impact your gaming experience, especially in graphically intensive games. In conclusion, the choice between the GIGABYTE RTX 4060 and the MSI RTX 4070 Ti Super ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable option for 1080p gaming, the RTX 4060 is a solid choice. However, if you want top-tier performance for 1440p or 4K gaming, the RTX 4070 Ti is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.